there's 3. Nope. Yeah. Yep. Push forward hard. And try and lean into the gun a bit more. Get your head closer. That's better.
Took off a branch.
Yeah. Awesome. Well done. You want to go look, see if you got anything?
Yeah.
We got to see if there's any holes going in, because, oh yeah, you got 2.
I don't know. There's 4 shots in there. Semi-auto too.
Yeah, just shoot all 4. Okay. Another one.
Boys.
See, I told you there was something died over there.
I don't think it's eagle. I think it's seagull. Yeah. Seagull. Yeah. Huh.
You got one already? No way. Holy moly, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Whoa! No way!
First cast too.
First cast.
Second cast. Second.
Okay, second cast. We'll give you that.
The first time and then caught it the second. What color is that? Rainbow?
That is a beautiful rainbow. Dang!
That's my second fish I caught in my whole life.
That's what?
Second fish I've caught in my whole life.
Okay, well, let's make sure he doesn't get away. Okay, did you just say that's your second fish in your whole life that you caught?
Yeah.
Man, not only do I show you guys where the grouse are, I show you where the fish are. Holy.
The first one was a kokanee. The first one I caught was a kokanee, and I caught it with my net.
Okay, I want you to tell me the story about this fish.
I had this fishing rod and I hooked it the first time and caught it the second time.
So your second cast, you're telling me you caught a fish?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you must catch a lot of fish.
No.
No?
No.
What do you mean, no? How many fish have you caught before?
Before this one, 1.
1. You're telling me this is your second fish ever that you caught?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty amazing. Oh, and we got another fish on. Okay, so bring that fish over and put it on the sand. What?
No.
What kind of fish is that? That's one of those stick fish.
I thought I got a fish.
Yeah, well, that one's kind of skinny. what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this. Here, I'm gonna wash this off first.
YouTube. I can? I remember that I watched this.
Okay, you're gonna take the knife and you're gonna put it right there, and you're gonna just slowly cut right up through the middle to there. You can go a little bit deeper, and put them right there, and then just kind of no, don't put your thumb across. Yeah. And just, yeah, there you go. Exactly. Just keep going right up the middle. Good. Okay, now we'll go to the top here, so you just got to hold it. A little further. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now, you're going to open it up, and we can actually do this in the water. Yeah, just hold on to the gills like this. Then it won't. Don't kneel in the water. Get your fingers in there and just grab this and rip it out. Yeah, just pull.
Oh, it's hard.
Okay. Just slide your fingers down and pull the others, what's below. Yeah, and pull that out.
Oh.
There you go. Just let that float away. Yeah, now take your other thumb. No, turn, yes, turn it that way. There you go. And slide it right down the middle. And just get all that stuff out. And you'll feel your thumb right on in the spine. And you can even put in a bit of water there, and then it'll help wash it out. Yep, and it's right down at the bottom there. Yes. Pull it out. Just grab it. Yep. Perfect. Okay, hold it up. See, nice clean fish. Awesome job. Who's up here, Will? He's under that tree. Oh, there's two of them in there.
I'll take a second shot. He's still up.
Grab his neck. And then just ring it. Yeah, like spin it around. Yeah, now just spin it. Yeah, hard. Yeah. Yeah, he's dead. He's just... Yeah. Ah, well done, Will! Well, not anymore. Just... Yep.
Wolf?
Yep, most likely, yep. Also, it doesn't come with him when he pulls it up. Pull! Lift! Lift! Come on! There you go, and then you can put it on.
There you go.
Yeah, put it on the board. Don't let it fall. Okay. Boys, that was the easy part. Huh? And now we're not gutting anything, so we want to keep all the guts in. So that we don't ever want to stick the knife down, we want to run it. Let's just get through the lips. And kind of just run it. And we get a layer of fat in there, and we got to try and stay above that. And go right underneath the hide. You definitely, yeah, because they definitely eat the beaver tail. It's all fat. So now, I'll start here, but we're gonna pull on the hide, and then you got to find this line.
It's like cutting moose meat.
That's exactly.
Yeah, that's that's easy. Well,
Matter of fact, those teeth that was what was used for tools for cutting and carving and whatnot. And if you look at modern day carving tools, they're the shape of a beaver tooth. So they, yeah, they were.
are we just getting the hide off?
So we're just taking the hide off. So you guys are gonna just grab, and yeah, the harder you pull, when you run your knife across there, it just kind of, the easier it is. So I'll start on. But they use, like all this under fur is the felt. That's what they use to make cowboy hats, felt hats nowadays. And traditionally, that's what the beaver was trapped for, was for felt hats in the 1800s. And so they trapped all the beavers in Europe because that's where the market was. And then they came over to Canada and they worked with indigenous groups to trap all the beaver, like trap beavers in Canada, because there were none left in Europe. Skinning beavers at Takla Narrows. Life is good. All right, skinning a beaver at Takla Narrows. First time for these two. Second time you've skinned a beaver before?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's probably why you're an expert. Excellent.